recommend a large folding studio shooting tent, enabling you to effortlessly take professional-grade product photos. Comes with 12 fiberglass support rods, no tools needed for installation or disassembly. Just a few simple steps and the photography studio is set up. It also comes with background boards in white, black, orange, and green to meet different shooting needs. It also comes equipped with 3 high-brightness movable light bars, making shooting more flexible, allowing you to light however you want. For highly reflective products, it even includes a soft light cloth, softens the light, making product details clearer. It also features a top-down small window, front large window, and fully open window, allowing you to shoot from any angle you desire. With it, you'll never have to worry about product photos again. Paired with an electric turntable, it can easily showcase product details, 360-degree rotation with no blind spots. When not in use, fold it up and put it in the carrying bag for easy transport.